Hi everyone and welcome YouTube Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to share with you what is YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform that allows users to upload, view, and share videos. It was created in 2005 by 3 former PayPal employees and was acquired by Google in 2006. YouTube has become one of the largest and most popular websites in the world, with over 2 billion monthly active users as of 2021. Users can create channels on YouTube and upload videos on a wide range of topics, such as music, comedy, beauty, gaming, education, and more. Other users can then view, comment on, and share these videos. YouTube also offers various features such as live streaming, video editing tools, and monetization options for creators. YouTube has had a significant impact on popular culture, and many creators have gained large followings and even careers through the platform. However, it has also faced criticism and controversy over issues such as copyright infringement, harmful content, and its algorithmic recommendations. I will share with you very informative policy of all platforms, so please subscribe this channel and share with your friends this video. Thank you.